This little box right here will absolutely change the way you interact with your entertainment system with your car. This is the Getpairr Pro Max. It's a multimedia car adapter. So this is going to allow you to connect your phone through Bluetooth, and then you can access apps that your normal entertainment system may not allow you to use, like Netflix, YouTube, Amazon Prime. So in this video, we're going to get unboxed, and then I'm going to show you a couple of features in my car. So let's go. And in full transparency, I did get this product sent to me for free in the purpose of making this video. Inside the box of the Getpairr Max Pro, you do get the Getpairr Max Pro itself. It's so discreet and small. It's great. It means you can fit it anywhere in your car without it being too imposing. You can leave it in the glove box, wherever you need. Now it does have two USBs, a USB-C and a USB-A. The USB-C is your input. That's what's going to be connected to the entertainment system itself. Then the USB-A can be used to attach some type of memory card for anything that you have stored, like music, videos that you want to be able to access. I also found a great hack that you could also use it to plug in a keyboard or a mouse. The connection was super easy. You just connect the USB-C to your vehicle, then your entertainment system should instantly update and start running the software. The first thing you need to do when entering the software is go to settings and the network settings. You will need to connect this to some type of internet, either if it's your phone hotspot or a Wi-Fi connection. So to do that, you just go to networks and select your connection. And then once it's connected, you're ready to go. Now let's explore the user interface. So the top left is going to be a tabs icon. So this is going to pull up every app that you have open. And from here, you can either select if you want to switch to one of the other apps, or you can close it off. Now under that, you do have a return button or a back button. And under that is got then that house icon. Then the home icon is going to take you to all of your apps organized without any widgets on the screen. And of course, the main screen does have widgets to make everything super simple and easy. So let's go jump into YouTube. Now again, you have all the features that you would have on a desktop YouTube. You can select categories, or you can search for any video that you want. And then once you have the video playing, you can go into full screen. And on some versions of YouTube, you can actually close out of the app, and it will minimize the screen and continue to play. In this case, I have that feature, and it's fantastic that it actually works. So if you're someone who likes to listen to YouTube videos, podcasts, music, but you don't want the actual visuals on the screen, you can just minimize it down, and it's perfect. Now you do obviously have access to Netflix and Amazon. Unfortunately, I don't have a Netflix account right now. So let's jump into Amazon. As you can see, once again, you can access absolutely anything that you can normally access on your Amazon account.
But you make it a den of thieves! What have you done?
So the amazing thing is, a lot of these entertainment systems won't actually play videos unless you're in park. This will let you play videos when you're in drive. So if you have kids and you want to entertain them and you only have the one screen, you could potentially use this to play some cartoons for your kids and keep them distracted for long road trips. Now if you are interested in getting the Getpairr Pro Max for yourself, we are going to be leaving a link in the description below. Leave a comment below what you thought the best feature of this multimedia adapter was. Share this with a friend who you think may need this in their car. Hit that like button and subscribe for more great reviews like this. We'll see you in the next one.